Thinking about getting into crypto but feeling a little overwhelmed by all the technical jargon? Ever wondered how you can buy, sell, and manage your own digital assets without relying on a centralized exchange? The answer is a self-custody wallet, and the Coinbase Wallet is one of the most popular and user-friendly options out there. It's your key to the decentralized web, giving you full control over your crypto and NFTs. So, let's get you set up. The first thing you need to do is download the app. You can find it on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just search for Coinbase Wallet and make sure you're getting the official one. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you'll see an option to create a new wallet. This is the big moment. Unlike a standard Coinbase Exchange account, you don't need to enter any personal information here. No name, no email, nothing. This is true decentralization. The app will then give you a 12-word recovery phrase. This is the most critical part of the entire process. This phrase is your private key. It's the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your phone or forget your password. Write it down and store it somewhere safe offline. Seriously, do not take a screenshot. Do not email it to yourself. Treat it like the combination to a safe filled with your life savings. Coinbase can't recover this for you, so if you lose it, your crypto is gone forever. After you've securely backed up your phrase, the app will ask you to re-enter it to make sure you've got it right. Then, you'll create a password for daily access to the app. You can also enable biometric security like Face ID or a fingerprint for a quick and secure way to log in. The final step is to claim your free Web3 username. This is a super useful feature powered by the Ethereum naming service. Instead of giving out a long, complicated wallet address to receive crypto, you can share a simple name like yourname.cbit.id. It makes sending and receiving funds a lot easier. You can skip this step if you want, but it's a good idea to grab one while you can. And that's it. You now have your very own Coinbase wallet, ready to start exploring the world of decentralized finance, NFTs, and more. From here, you can transfer crypto from your Coinbase Exchange account or buy it directly in the app. The choice is yours. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.